Dear friends, let's see. Uh, Today I'm going to discuss regarding the transport. Actually, whenever your school is running and you are planning to running the school business, okay. So during this business, one challenge is there, that how will you manage your transport? That means how will your student will come to school and goes to home, okay. So regarding this, I will explain you. So in our software, our school management software, I am going to explain you Dvna school management software transport management modules. How transport management modules is working, that's I'm going to explain you. Okay, so I'm showing you the our software. This is the login page of our software. Just I'm going to log in, just put in username and password. Okay, so this is the one dashboard, and here is the transport management. Like a transport management means how will you configure your transport, how will you configure your transport charges, how will you set the route, and how many agencies working in your school. That can be also managed by this school management software. That's why it is called transport management models in this Dvna school management softwares. So, okay, so are you able to see this? So here Dvna school management software is, it is the name of our software, and transport management models. So for doing this transport management, first just I'm telling you the workflow. First you have to work on the transport agency name entry. Just you go to the school management software and look for the transport agency name entry. Okay, so like this, here I have given for example demo purpose transport agency A, B, C, like this. So whatever transport agency is working with your school, that you can enter from there. Okay, so next step is that bus name entry. So if suppose your school have more than one bus, yeah, one bus, yeah, 10 bus, 20 bus, like this, then you can manage, go to the here, and bus name entry. From there you can put the bus name entry. Means first you have to select the bus, first you have to select the agency name, like this, and then you have to put the registration ID, whatever your vehicle registration number, that you can put. Just like you see the demo, here already some vehicles is given there. Okay, now I'm come to, then it will be the third step, that will be the route entry. Route entry means uh, route entry means how many routes. Suppose you have defined the route of, like a north route, south route, yeah, route A, route B. So that needs to be defined in these softwares. So I'm going to their route name entry. Okay, so here I have given the route number 1, route number 2, route number 3, like this. Okay, suppose your school has 3 bus, and these 3 bus is covering the 3 routes, then you can enter the route 1, route 2, route 3, yeah, whatever naming convention you are following, that can be entered from this. Okay, now I am coming to, after putting the route number, then it will come the transport in charge grid. So transport in charge grid has some definite role, and transport source and destination entry. Transport source and destination entry means whenever your bus is running on the, and where it will drop the student, or from where it will pick the student, that needs to be configured in this software. So just I'm going to there. transport transport source destination, like suppose route 1 have defined 3. For this example we have defined route 1 3 stoppage like this. Okay, so in this way whatever routes in your matlab how many routes and how many source and destination of according to your business, that needs to be configured from here. Okay, so now coming to, so that you have done the transport. Suppose your parents, some parents paying the late, and you want to charge the late fee per day, that you can also manage this software. Okay, so from there you have to go to the transport and then go to the transport late payment charge per day. So also this kind of decision will come from your side and from your school decision making things. So you can configure this like whatever late charge per day, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, like this, that can be configured from here. Okay, just I'm going to close. Now I'm coming to transport fee collection grid. So transport fee collection grid is basically, from here you can collect the transport fee collection. Transport fee collection grid is basically these things, transport fee collection. From there you will see the class number name, and from there you will go to the student roll number according to class. Just I have selected the class 1, so it is showing the class 2. Then it will show the two class all roll numbers. Just I am going to 4, like this. Okay, so in this you will change the class, then you will get the details of the student list. Okay, so first I am going to like this kg, so these data is not, so going to 1. Okay, so so first in first lot it will show you the 10 records only, and next records it will be visible in the next page. Here you will be see the 1 or 2, this is the page number. Okay, so I'm clicking this. Okay, so you can also jump from page 1 to 2 and 2 to 1, like this. Okay, just I'm going to jumping from page 1 to page 2, and now I'm going to jumping from page 2 to 1, like this. Okay, and how will you collect the transaction fee, the transport fee? Okay, so I'm going to there, then you will able to see the student roll number, and from this student roll number just you click on this link, then you will be able to see. So student details and due amount details. So here due is 0 because all month transportation fees have already paid by the student in advance, that's why it is showing. Okay, so suppose you want to see the transportation fee details history, and you want to some print the history, then you go to the print command, it will show you the reports. So here this is the report. Okay, so this is the transaction fee id, and just I am going to, if you want to print this, then you can click on the print button and print, then it will print this reports. So here you will be able to see the all entire things. Okay, so like this, first payment they have made, and actually this is the fee payment id. Okay, and this is the fee per month. Suppose this student have 800 fee per month, and they have given the discount of 5%, so after discount this transportation fee is coming to the 760 rupees, and he has this transaction id 2, he has paid the 670 rupees, then his remaining due is 8360. Okay, and status is true. True means he has paid. Okay, and how much they have paid? They have paid the 760 rupees. Okay, now I'm coming to the next transaction. This transaction is the 1572. That means on this transaction number 2 they have paid the three three month 3 month together. So that's why it is showing the 500 the 1520 rupees. Okay, so you also able to see 1520 they have paid. So in this way you can manage the monthly reports as well as you can manage together. If you want to pay the together of entire fee, then you can also able to pay, and if you want to pay the monthly basis, then also you can manage. Okay, so this such kind of the facility is available, and according to your school needs you can manage it. Okay, now I'm coming to there. Transport fee collection, there are transport fee entry. Okay, suppose you want to configure the transport fee, then you have to go to there and then go to this link transport fee entry. From there, whatever transport fee you will be defined, then that will be put here. Like this we have already defined this transaction transport fee 8850 900 like this. So according to your school requirements, according to your needs, you can manage it. Okay, now I'm coming to the transport in charge. Transport in charge grid. Actually this is transport in charge. Transport in charge grid means by using these you can configure the route name. First you have to select the route name, and then you have to select the transport agency, that this student on which agency they are going, so that agency you have to put. After putting this agency, then they will show you the bus number. After selecting the bus number, then he will show you the seat numbers. So which seat number you are booking for this, then you can select that seat number. And after selecting this seat number, then you have to pick up and drop location, you have to select like this. After selecting this, just you have to click on the save buttons. Okay, so actually I have already saved these routes, but again I am going to save this route again. So that's why it is message is showing the student roll number Itna has previously allocated bus route seat number. Okay, so in this way this transportation in charge page is already optimized, so that the user cannot do the mistakes. If the user is doing the mistakes, then this software will not allow him to keep this. So let's I am coming to there. So I have already explain you the demo as well as how transport management is working in Dvna school management software. Okay, so just for review, I am coming to there. Transport fee agency name entry, you have to follow the configuration before using this you have to some do the configuration items, like you have to put the transport agency, bus name entry, route name entry, transport in charge grid, and transport source to destination entry, transport late payment charge entry, transport fee collection, and transport fee entry. These all things is available in our transport management modules in our DBNS Softec, DBNS school management softwares. Okay, if you want to know more about this software, and if you want to do the practical demo sessions, and if you are planning to purchase these softwares, you can directly contact with us. Okay, so just I am going to sign out, then you will be able to see the help desk number as well as the information contact details. Okay, and without discussing to us, and you want to see more details regarding this, then you go to the google.com like this and search for Dvna subject. Okay, so after selecting the Dvna subject, just come to the first URL and then click on that. Then it will open our website. Here is the contact details. Okay, so from these details you can contact us and discuss regarding this. Suppose you have seen this software and you want to a more demo, yeah, more customization works, then we can also provide. Thanks for watching DVNA School Management Software Transport Management Models. Thank you. Bye.